we've practiced with some basic trims, let's look at adding titles or a lower third. So there's two ways we can get started with this type of graphic. One is to click the plus button here on the upper left and then go to Graphics. We can also click Graphics on the right and then Add Graphic. In both cases, this browsing box will open up. And aside, if I right-click those three dots, I can install a template. This could be something that was created for your organization, or maybe even you created a motion graphics template in something like After Effects. Let's browse through some of our options. You can choose between titles, transition graphics, and overlays. You can also search using key terms. Once you've selected a title, all you need to do is click the Add button and add it to your timeline. Notice it moves in right where my playhead is. You can move and edit these clips just like any other clip. By selecting parts of this in the program Playback, you can edit these using the information on the right. Simply by toggling down, we can change our text, change our font or our color, and any other text features. Next, we can change this color. Now, we can't change the shape of it, but we can change the color. And we can even color pick the same color to use. In addition to these type of title slides, we can also add a lower third. And to bring these in, same thing, we just select it and add it to that. And we can edit this in exactly the same way. Now, with this clip, notice that I can see in the background. Let's say I didn't want that. I wanted that to not show like that. I can move this into the space in front of that clip, and then I don't see that. So you have a couple of different options for what that's going to look like. Using these styles and colors is a great way to implement a style for your organization or your personal brand. So that's how you add your title and lower third.